Hey everyone! Have you ever felt like unlocking new cards in Hamster Combat is more about nagging your friends than actually enjoying the game? If that sounds like you, then you're in for some incredible news. Picture this. You're sitting there, ready to dive into a new session of Hamster Combat, but you've hit a wall. You need to invite more friends to unlock that awesome new card. So, you start sending out those invites, waiting, hoping your friends will join. But let's be real, it's frustrating, right? Well, the team behind Hamster Combat has been listening. They've just rolled out an update that's about to change the game completely. Here's the big news. New cards no longer require you to invite friends. That's right. No more scrambling to gather referrals just to get your hands on those cool cards. Now, before you get too excited, let's be clear. This change applies to new cards only. Some features and older cards will still require referrals, so if you enjoy referring your friends, that option is still there. But the focus here is on making it easier for you to enjoy the game without the hassle. Imagine this. No more sending out invites, no more waiting for your friends to accept and join, and no more nagging your buddies just to unlock that one special card. You can now focus on the game itself, strategizing, improving your profit per hour, and simply enjoying the action. The power is back in your hands. With this update, you're free to dive straight into the action. Spend more time mastering your strategies and less time worrying about who to invite next. This means you'll be able to progress faster, experience all the latest features, and truly dominate the arena. But here's the real kicker. This update isn't just about removing invite requirements. It's about enhancing your overall gaming experience, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. The developers have designed these changes to keep you engaged, entertained, and, most importantly, having fun every step of the way. So what's the game plan now? Instead of struggling with those older cards that still need referrals, shift your focus to the shiny new ones that don't. Trust me, this is a game changer. And a quick word of advice, avoid the temptation to buy referrals. Not only can it be costly, but it also carries risks that could lead to disappointment if things don't go as planned. Remember, Hamster Combat is all about fun and strategic gameplay, not spending extra money on referrals. By sticking to the new cards, you're not only saving your hard-earned cash, but you're also ensuring a more enjoyable and stress-free gaming experience. And here's a little something to get even more excited about. The team at Hamster Combat is gearing up for a major update soon. We're talking new features, exciting content, and possibly some game-changing enhancements that will take your experience to a whole new level. Imagine new cards, improved gameplay mechanics, and maybe even some surprises we've all been waiting for. To make sure you're in the loop, stay tuned to our channel and keep an eye on the official X page for all the latest updates. We'll be bringing you the breaking news as soon as it drops, along with detailed breakdowns and tips on how to make the most of the new features. You won't want to miss this. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.